In this video, we're going to be looking over the topic differentiation and specialisation in cells. We'll define the difference of what we mean by differentiation and specialisation, dive deeper into differentiation, and just touch upon a few examples of specialisation in animal cells and plant cells. Okay, so what is the difference between differentiation and specialisation? Differentiation is the process by which different types of cells develop their specific set of cell structures and then become specialised. Let's look at this a little deeper. Before a cell can carry out its specific role within an organism, it must first develop the correct subcellular structures for the job. It does this in a process called differentiation, which then produces specialised cells. The majority of differentiation in animal cells happens early in stages of life as the organism develops, even as early as the embryonic stages, and as the organism develops. However, in most plants, the ability to differentiate is never lost. You probably would have heard of the term stem cells. These are undifferentiated cells, which means that they have the ability to develop into different types of cells. The types of cells in which these stem cells will develop will then become specialised. Let's look at different types. For example, sperm cells. These are specially designed for the effective transport of male DNA to the female DNA for sexual reproduction. The head of the sperm contains all the genetic information ready for fertilisation and also has enzymes that are able to digest the egg cell membrane. They also have lots of mitochondria for energy, which is required for movement of the tail so they can swim. This is an example of how that cell has adapted to carry out a specific job role. Therefore, it's specialised. Another example would be a nerve cell or a neuron. These cells are specialised for rapidly carrying electrical impulses around the body. They have a long axon to carry the impulse over long distances and a branch at both ends so that they can connect and pass signals between one another. They are also insulated in a fatty sheath, which helps the impulse move along the nerve much more quickly. So once again, the nerve cells become specialised to allow rapid response to the external and internal environment of your body. We'll just give one more example in a plant cell, such as root hair cells. In plants, they are an exchange surface specialised for absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. They are found on the plant's roots and increase the surface area for efficient absorption. They also have a vacuole full of cell sap that is more concentrated than soil water, which creates a water potential gradient for efficient water absorption. They also have lots of mitochondria to provide energy for the active transport of minerals from the soil. Now these are just a few examples, there are many more. It's good to have a few examples just in case you need to present that within a test to demonstrate your knowledge. But the take-home message is that stem cells usually become differentiated into specialised cells. And these specialised cells all have a specific job role to allow the organism to function efficiently.